Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate how to download Twitter DMs. So in order to download your Twitter data, that includes your tweets, DMs and other useful information, tap on your profile, then go into settings and privacy, then enter your account category, onwards go for the download and archive of your data. At the following page, log into your Twitter account if necessary. So let me do that off the screen real quick. After you have logged into your Twitter account, you will need to verify your identity, get a code, either through email or to your phone number, depending on which option do you use for verification. Then enter the verification code that you receive, so mine is 653561. 653561. Done. Next. And then over here at the following page, tap at the Request Archive button. And once the archive will be available for download, the Twitter will notify you either through sending you an email with a link to download such archive, or will just let you know that the archive is ready to be downloaded, and then afterwards, you will be able to get it into the settings. As far as I know, you'll have the separate settings option for it. So that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.